Hi, Chad. I thought we would. I, Students have had questions about this before, and I think one of the problems is there's uh, it's all right here, okay? But I think one of the problems is this is confusing because this is what is 15 capital G's, and I'm saying one small g is equal to 9.8 meters. I meant the same thing, okay? So if I have one $20 bill, how much money do I have if I have 15 $20 bills? Multiply them, right? So that's all I'm asking on that one is just multiply those two and you get the number and you get the number of G's, which would be 15 G, what the actual acceleration is in meters per second squared. Okay, and so that's quite an acceleration, right? Okay, then on 8, how many newtons of force can the human skull withstand? I think that was in the video. That was in the video on the woodpecker. Okay, so if you go back and you look at it, I think you'll be um, it will tell you how many newtons of force. Um, and so if can a human school, that should be human school. No wonder you're confused. Okay, so um, I'm going to edit this right now while we're looking at it, so you can you'll you'll get you'll get edit without unassigning. Here we go. I need to get in here and edit this. This is a mess. All right, so I'm glad you pointed this out. So let's just do this together. So this should be. I'm going to edit this. And you're going to see the answers, but that's okay because you asked a good question. So there we go. G's. There we go. Save. Question 8. Edit. This would be skull. There we go. Save. And now let's go down to question 9. Based on the answer problem, what is your answer in pounds? In other words, you're going to convert those newtons into pounds. Okay, and that would just be here on Earth. All right. So you can Google that if you want. So whatever answer you got up here, which I think was pretty high, right? You can just do this. You can just go, okay, well, let's say it's 1,000 newtons. You can see why I have issues. Newtons to kilograms to pounds. No, to foot-pounds. See, oh, those are Newton meters. Oh, newtons to pounds. Here, I was hoping to be right on the front. Okay, so 1,000, there it is, 224 pounds of force. It's a pound force. In other words, they make sure that they know we're on Earth. Okay, so that's all there is to that, and I'm glad you pointed that out because that was kind of a mess. All right, that wasn't good to have that way. Where were we? Here we are. I got too much stuff loaded. Okay, cool. So I think that will answer your question. Um, and I can see why you were confused because it wasn't clear. All right, so let's go ahead and get out of this recording. Oh, here we go.